Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss question answers of Civics Chapter 9. So in your classwork you will do the question answer of Civics Chapter 9. Okay, and after you finish the classwork you will also do homework, all the exercises of Civics Chapter 9, do the reading as well. Okay. In classwork, Civics Chapter 9, the chapter name is Urban Livelihood. Urban means those who are living in the cities other than villages. Village means rural areas. Urban means in the cities. Okay, so first question is define agricultural sector. What is agricultural sector? The agricultural sector includes those activities in which that are taken by using the natural resources directly, like farming, like we are growing crops. Okay, that is agricultural sector. We are dairy farming, that is agricultural sector. What do you mean by service sector? The service sector includes those activities that help in the development of the primary and secondary sectors. So in the service sector, both the primary sector and the secondary sector is being helped by the service sector, like banking, insurance, etc. Okay. Third question is, why is secondary sector also called the industrial sector? Secondary sector is associated with different kinds of industry. So it is also called the industrial sector. Suppose the crops are grown, suppose wheat is grown, the wheat is now brought up by the different traders. Suppose a biscuit factory has bought the wheat. What will the biscuit factory do? It will convert wheat into biscuit. So it's an industry, biscuit making industry. Okay, understood. Then what do you understand by self-employment? In self-employment, a person is involved in his own business. He earns his own income. That means you are not working for anybody else. You have your own business. You are your own boss. Okay. What is regular employment? In regular employment, the places of work follow rules and regulation laid down by the government. Suppose an office, a government office, a government school. It's a regular employment where you have to abide by some rules and regulation and you have fixed working hours. And you have to follow the rules. Okay. Why is primary sector called the agricultural sector? Because answer is in primary sector agricultural contribute the most part, therefore this sector is also called the agricultural sector. Means in agricultural sector basically the people do grow crops, do dairy activities, poultry farming, etc. So it is all related to the primary works and it comes in agriculture. That's why it's called agricultural sector. So these are the very short question. Now we will move on to the short question answers also. Short answer type questions. First question is define secondary sector with example. So now what is secondary sector? Answer is this sector covers those activities in which natural or primary products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing. For example, from wheat, as I have told you earlier, from wheat we can manufacture biscuit. From wheat we can manufacture bread. From that we can make burger. Then further we can open restaurant where we can make a burger like McDonald's. Understood? So this sector, secondary sector, covers those activities in which natural or primary products are changed into other form. What is primary product? Wheat is grown the wheat is grown by the farmers and then it is gone to the factories where it is turned into biscuit or bread or whatever. Understood? Now question number 2. What is the tertiary sector? Give examples. This sector includes those activities that help in the development of the primary and secondary sectors. For example, banking, insurance, transportation, etc. Suppose in primary sector, wheat, rice, cotton, it is all being produced in the rural areas. Now from rural areas, cotton is changed into fiber, then fabric, then it is made into shirt and different kind of garments. Then it has to be transported. It has to be transported to the areas where the factories are situated. So it needs transportation. Then the cotton growers, the crops which are grown, the cotton crops are grown by the farmers. The farmers need loan for here. They need the help of bank, and they need the insurance of their crops. Here they need the help of this sector. So the tertiary sector is helping both the primary and secondary sector. Okay, so for example, banking, insurance, and transportation. All know that why banking is important, why insurance is important, and why transportation is. Nothing can be transported from village to the cities unless and until there is a good transportation system. Now, write a short note on wage employment. What is a wage employment? Here, the worker gets daily wages. She is not the owner of the resources. There is no fixed number of working hours. He gets no other allowances other than his wage. There is no job security. Okay, what is a wage employment? You must have hired some plumber, for some labor for doing different kinds of work. Okay, suppose your worker came for 2 days and he charged 400 per day. Suppose he doesn't come the 3rd day. Are you going to give him money? No, you will not give him money for the day on which he is being absent. So he is earning on a daily basis. He will work for 1 day, he will get 400 rupees. 2nd day, again 400 rupees. If he is not working, then he will not get any kind of wages. And he has got no job security. He has got no Sundays, no calendar holidays. Okay, no medical allowances, nothing. No insurance. So this is a wage employment. Okay, now in long question answer, we have to do one, that is what do you mean by migration? What are its positive and negative effects? Migration means moving from one place to another for some job, studying, etc. Okay, so the movement of a large number of people from one place to another is known as migration. There are 2 effects of migration. One is positive and the other one is negative. What is the positive effect of migration? It helps to improve social life of people. Children get better education, better opportunities for higher education. Migration of skilled workers leads to greater economic growth of the region. What are the negative effects? It results in overcrowding of cities. It creates many problems like housing, sanitation, etc. So migration have 2 effects. One is negative and one is positive. What is the positive effect? Suppose in villages, people doesn't have very good opportunity for healthcare, education. So if they come to the cities, they get a better opportunity for good education, healthcare, and a better life. Okay, what are the negative effects? In negative effect, suppose if everybody migrate to the cities, then what will happen? The cities will get overcrowded like Mumbai, Kolkata, and many other cities which are overcrowded. So, and thus it will create the problem of housing, sanitation, and many other things. Okay, understood. So these are the questions which you have to do after watching this video. Okay, see you in the next class.